Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a circle base in Minecraft. First, decide on the size of your desired circle. A common approach is to use an online circle generator or a pixel art guide. These helpful tools provide a block-by-block blueprint, making the entire process straightforward. This ensures your base will be perfectly round and visually appealing, even for beginners, saving you time and effort. Before placing any blocks, determine your circle's diameter. A 21-block diameter, for instance, offers ample interior space for your base. Next, gather all necessary building materials. You will need hundreds of blocks, depending on the size. Stone, wood, or concrete are excellent choices. Finally, mark a clear central point on the ground where your circle will originate. Now, let's start building. Place your first block directly on the central point you marked. Carefully follow your chosen circle generator or template, placing blocks according to its pattern. For a 21-block diameter, you will place 1 block, then 3, then 5, and so on, mirroring the pattern on all 4 sides. This creates a precise, symmetrical outline for your circular base. With the outline complete, it is time to fill in the interior of your circle. Use your preferred blocks to create a solid floor. Next, build the walls upwards, usually 3 to 5 blocks high, to enclose your space. Finally, add a roof, perhaps a dome or a flat design, and then customize the interior and exterior with details like windows, doors, and furnishings to make it truly your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.